Hello, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. Welcome to another video tour. Today we are in Western Algarve, in a place called Funchal, a little residential, exquisite sleeping area located between the city of Lagos and Praia da Luz. The location is simply stunning. It offers privacy, it offers the views, and it offers tranquility and authenticity of Portuguese living. We are about 5 minutes to a village of Praia da Luz and Lagos, as I mentioned. Airport about 30 minutes away by the car in Faro, and Lisbon about 2 hours away. So let's have a look-see. So look at this beauty. Today I'm showing you this 3-bedroom villa plus 4 separate divisions built on 800 square meters construction area, out of which 500 is for living, which is huge. It's one of the biggest villas in the area. It's overlooking the ocean throughout. Even here on the ground floor, if you will, you can see the ocean view of Meia Praia and Praia da Luz. The sunrises from Lagos Marina Bay will take your breath away, and you will never forget sunsets in Praia da Luz. The views, the orientation is south, everything is simply stunning. Plot 1800 square meters, which is quite generous for Funchal. Neighbors, very few. So you're not overlooked, you've got perfect privacy, and on the back you have a pine forest, which is quite rare. So, I want to show it to you inside. Follow me. So, welcome inside, and as you can see, this villa is simply stunning. Traditional villa with a modern touch, orientated towards the south, spread through 3 levels. Currently we're in the middle level. This is where you get in, and you have a very nice large living area transfusing into the dining and the kitchen. So everything is like at your convenience. Plus, on this level, we have a huge terrace overlooking the ocean pretty much everywhere, and external kitchen as well. In terms of appliances, you think, oh, this is 2006 villa, maybe it's a bit outdated, but I can tell you it is not. This villa has everything, or even more than some of the modern villas that we filmed recently. For example, underfloor heating and cooling, yeah? This is not something. Air conditioning throughout, sound system, double glazing, you name it. You can see the list in the description. But I can tell you, in terms of features, this villa lacks for nothing. So, top floor, we have 3 more bedrooms, and on the ground area, we have 4 separate divisions, game room, spa, if you will, music room, or whatever you want it to be, plus the garage. So, beside all the amazing features of the property itself, it's very important to mention that this property is self-sustaining. Photovoltaics that offset the electricity bills, solar panels for your hot water, and all sort of wonderful gadgets to make your everyday life a breeze and worry-free. And it would be a crime not to mention this amazing pool with infinity feature and its own dedicated waterfall. A dedicated jacuzzi, plus another jacuzzi just in case you're throwing a party. A very mature and self-sustaining garden, which is beautiful by itself and worry-free for the owner. All of this is very difficult to find these days. And even more modern, everyday properties that are built in Lagos, some of them cannot say, well, we have it all. And that is why this villa is so special. It's just, you know, amazing. Well, this is it, folks. I would like to thank you for taking this property tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and go to our new refreshed website to see this property for yourself. Contact me, book your visit, online, offline, whatever you want. We're very flexible. But in my point of view, you know, there's not a lot of properties like this left in the Algarve. The size, the location, the views, which is essential why you choose Algarve in living. You know, don't miss the opportunity.